Hey guys, in this video we are going to dedicatedly actually have a review on the Django REST framework. If I just in any case pronounce it Django, I'm so sorry. Um, some dude told me that and that just stuck in my brain. And fuck it anyway. I'm just gonna crush it. However, this is a simple, really simple framework which will help us create things super easy and fast. Okay, and everything is built in, everything is going to be creatively great. And okay, by this all, let's go on this. Okay, actually this is not going to be a total full tutorial for Django REST framework. That's going to be something that will help you just set up everything and work it out for yourself. However, probably if you are seeing this course, you just have a good base of Python and you can just check out the tutorials, text-based tutorials specifically online, and just have a good basic understanding of this framework and just review with me, because that doesn't really take long to learn it. However, in any case, I will teach you some basics because that's necessary anyway. Okay, let's go on it and let's do this. So in that case, I'm going to start a new app. What the fuck? Start app. However, dude, what the fuck? I need to set the name for that. And that's going to be API. However, let's name it something less general actually, and I'm going to API. Core YouTube API. That's not gonna make me any trouble. However, just put it. Always have files because I'm going to finally push this shit in GitHub. Okay, I got this all in, and let's go at the app in our apps. Suggestion, core YouTube API, and just got this sales dictionary. Sorry. Okay. Now we're going to set up our URLs file. How I'm just going to copy this name from here. I'm just going to build a new Python file here, which is going to be, however, let's go and add a new Python file, and that's going to be URLs, and the extension is going to be that's it. That's all we needed to do this. And apply scheme. Okay, default, and that's cool. Now we can just right click, go through this and add the URLs file, and we just got this all here. How I wish I just added this path to it too, but okay, fuck it anyway. Okay, I need to import this path from a specifically Django. Be careful, just don't to just import it from Django. However, I'm going to call this well, not API here. I'm going to send something else here, just like I believe that's gonna be set something. Download / str and URL. That's going to be it. Okay, well, we need to set up a view for this dude. Def download YT URL, and this gets actually a URL here, and I believe, let me see, because I went through, well, for some period of time I've been actually on Fast API. I had a problem with this, and as you can see, what the fuck, don't do that. Okay, and return response, and from where are you going to port it from? Actually, the REST framework, the response, that's it, that's what I want. Okay, MSG, that's going to be okay. Okay, that's it, that's it. And what the fuck is this problem? It's not used. That's okay. MSG to download URL and just add this if here, so that's not gonna be meaningless. Anyway, so we have set our first view here, and I'm just going to add this dude here. Super simple. Let's import it here, and let's just say import everything. Okay, from core YouTube API that views import everything, and the name is going to be, well, that's it. That's it, and we already got this. So, and now I'm going to just set the decorator API view, and the type is going to be get. Okay, type is going to be a get, and let's check it. Let's check this dude out. Well, actually our project is right now running. I'm going to copy this URL from here and add this here. Okay, if you select this part and set it as a variable and create a new variable base URL and name it anything you want, we are not going to need to just copy that, and in case if you are going to just switch to some other environment, which I don't know, the port is different, the URL is different, anything, we just can actually change it. I'm gonna just name it Django base URL, and the scope is going to be global and not just this collection, and that's gonna be good because I'm always going to actually use this base URL. The variable is set, and now I'm going to set the path to it. Okay, so how do I set this path here? I'm just gonna go here, download this here, and the base URL, actually the main project, the main app is YouTube downloader, and we need to import these URLs in here too. So I'm gonna just add a new path. I'm gonna say API and include. Okay, import this name from Django, and from with Django core YouTube API.urls. Super simple. That was supposed to be a string. Anyways. Okay, that's it, I believe. And now if I refresh it, that's going to give us a problem. So now we got our API set here, and okay, let's do this. Let's send the URL. Let me copy URL right now. I will be back. Okay, I just copied some some URL from my own videos, so we don't run into any problem. I hope this structure doesn't make any problem for us. No, I don't want this to be this way. Don't just want this to be okay. Let's see if the problem, we are gonna run into some problem. However, I believe that was a problem from this part. Download and API, core APIs, URLs, and that's supposed to actually work. Let me check it out. Okay, actually as a just got this. We are going to run into some problem if we send the the value through get, and because that's gonna just add it. Actually, if we are going to just send the value through URL, that's gonna cause us problem. So what do? We are going to use a post method. As you can see, I'm just send some random string, and that was okay anyway. So in that case, we are just gonna change something, and the URL is going to be from request dot, I believe that was from dot post URL, and that's it. Hey, okay, and that's all that we needed. We are just gonna be deleted. Okay, and in this case, we are going to change this request type to post, and I'm just going to send this dude from a form value, and the value is going to be a YouTube URL, and we just ran into some problem, which is from that KK probably. However, I forgot to set the request type to post, and that's it. Just give it Control and yes, that's it. So we set our first route successfully. Just gonna save. Don't forget to save this request, and we are all set for now. And in next video, we are going to return a response which contains all the possible ways to download this YouTube video. Goodbye to the next video.